cheat on this test?
Yes.
That's not showing integrity. You're gonna have to get a 0 on this one and retake it later. Were you cheating too?
No.
No? Perfect. You get an A. Integrity.